Hello, how do you solve this exponential problem? This is t power 3 equals 1 divided by 8. We are solving for all values of t that satisfy this equation. So, I have t power 3 equals 1. 1 is the same thing as 1 power 3 because I want this exponent and this to be the same. I have 1 power 3 divided by 8. 8 is the same thing as 2 times 2 times 2, which is 2 power 3. I have 2 power 3. So remember, if you have a power c divided by b power c, this equals a divided by b raised to the power of c. Applying this right here, I have t power 3 equals 1 divided by 2 raised to the power of 3. Right here, I move this over this side. I have t power 3, this becomes minus 1 over 2 to the power of 3 equals 0. So we need to expand this. Power 3 is minus sign. So if you have a power 3 minus b power 3, this equals a minus b times a squared plus ab plus b power 2. And in this case, a equals t and b equals 1 over 2. We can insert it right here. We are going to have t minus 1 over 2, that's a minus b times, this is t power 2 plus ab, t times 1 over 2 plus b squared, 1 over 2 to the power of 2, this equals 0. So right here, you can have t minus 1 over 2 times this is t squared plus this is t divided by 2 plus 1 power 2, 1 divided by 2 power 2, 4, this equals 0. So we now have two expressions equating to 0. We can form two different equations. We can have t minus 1 over 2 equals 0. We can also have t squared plus t divided by 2 plus 1 over 4 equals 0. Now, let's start with this. We have t minus 1 over 2 equals 0. I can easily move this over here. I have t equals 1 over 2. Is my t1. Right now, I have this other equation, which is t power 2 plus t divided by 2 plus 1 over 4 equals 0. I need to find the common LCM, which is over 1. The LCM is 4. I have 4 divided by 1, 4 times t squared is 4t squared plus 4 divided by 2, 2 times t, that is 2t plus 4 divided by 4, 1 times 1, I have 1. This equals 0. From here, is over 1, I can cross multiply. 4 will multiply 0, and this will multiply 1. I have 4t squared plus 2t plus 1 equals 0. So this becomes a quadratic equation that we are going to solve. For the values of t, we can solve this using the formula method. I have t equals negative b plus or minus square root of b squared minus 4 times ac divided by 2a. The coefficient of t squared here is our a. The coefficient of t is our b. This is our c. So let's insert it right here. I have t equals negative b, negative 2 plus or minus square root of b squared to power 2 minus 4 times 4 times c, that is 1, divided by 2 times a, that is 2 times 4. So right here, I have t equals, this is negative 2 plus or minus square root of 2 squared 4 minus 4 times 4, 16 times 1. The 16 divided by 8. So from here, I have t equals negative 2 plus or minus square root of 4 minus 16. This is negative 12 divided by 8. This will give me negative 2 plus or minus this minus here. I have square root of negative 1 times square root of 12 divided by 8. From here, I have t equals negative 2 plus or minus square root of negative 1 here is I. I have I times square root of 12. 12 is 4 times 3 divided by 8. From here, I have t equals negative 2 plus or minus I times square root of 4. This is 2 root 3 divided by 8. From here, I have t equals 2 cancel this side once, cancel this once, cancel this 4. We have negative 1 plus or minus I with 3 divided by 4. I can easily factor out 1 over 4 from here. At t equals 1 over 4 times negative 1 plus or minus I root 3. I have two complex values for t and have t2 equals 1 over 4 times negative 1 plus I root 3. Have t3 equals 1 over 4 times negative 1 minus I root 3. So these are the two complex solutions. And we also have one real solution, which is this one here, 1 over 2. So the next thing we are going to do will be to check by inserting this particular value for t. We have check t equals 1 over 2. We have t power 3 equals 1 over 8. That means you have 1 over 2 to the power of 3 equals 1 over 8. Now, this simply means 1 power 3 divided by 2 power 3 equals 1 over 8. And 1 to the power of 3 is 1 divided by 2 to the power of 3, that is 2 times 2 times 2, that is 8. And this equals 1 over 8. So that is it. Absolutely correct. Now, a quick recap of this. The most important step is expressing this one here as 1 to the power of 3, which is the same thing, and expressing 8 as the power 3. Now the exponents are now the same. We combine them and share the common exponent. Move it over here. Expand using this cubic identity. Our A is t, B is 1 over 2. We have two different expressions. From there, we formulated two different equations. One gave us a linear equation, which gave us this answer. The other one gave us quadratic equation that gave us two different answers. So at the end, we have one solution, which is a real solution, and we also have two complex solutions, which are what we have right here. So guys, that is it, and don't forget to subscribe and share. Thank you.